The search for life beyond Earth has long captured the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and space enthusiasts. For centuries we have wondered, are we alone in space? The discovery of Proxima Centauri b in 2016 brought us closer to answering this age-old question. Located in the habitable zone of its host star Proxima Centauri, the planet has raised hopes in the scientific community that it may have discovered a world different from our own, a haven for life, 4.2 light-years away. But beneath the excitement lies a disturbing truth: even though Proxima Centauri b is close, it's also a deadly trap, with forces that threaten to destroy life's potential. Is Proxima Centauri a close relative of Earth or a sinister nightmare hiding behind a glamorous appearance? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Proxima Centauri b, we must face the unknown: deadly radiation from its host star, the possibility of a barren world without wind, and great challenges for future missions to this distance. Articles to follow. What secrets does Proxima Centauri b hold that could redefine our understanding of the universe? The year is 2016. Astronauts using the European Southern Observatory (ESO) instrument have made an amazing discovery. They found an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to the solar system. The planet, named Proxima Centauri b, was located in the habitable zone, the region where conditions allow liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it. This period was a turning point in the search for extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri b is the closest planet to Earth at a distance of 4.2 light-years. The discovery made headlines around the world, and the prospect of exploring a planet that could potentially hold life excited scientists and the public alike. As this happiness subsides, however, troubling questions begin to arise. Is this planet really inhabited, or is it a living rock in the cold? Before diving into Proxima Centauri b itself, we need to understand the star it orbits, Proxima Centauri. Proxima is a red dwarf star, smaller and cooler than our Sun, but much more massive. Red dwarfs are the most visible type of star in the Milky Way, making up 70 to 80% of all stars, but they are invisible to the naked eye from Earth due to poor light. Despite their small size, red dwarfs are extremely long-lived because they burn fuel more slowly and can survive for billions of years. This life gives more time to the planets in the habitable zone to develop life. There's a catch, though: red dwarfs, including Proxima Centauri, are famous for emitting solar flares and bursts of ultraviolet, UV, and X-rays. These powerful radiation storms can destroy the atmospheres of the nearby planets and become unwelcoming. For Proxima Centauri b, this is a big problem. The planet is 0.05 astronomical units, AU, from the star, about 1/10 the distance between Mercury and the Sun. At close range, Proxima b will be bombarded by high levels of radiation, raising doubts about whether the atmosphere can survive, let alone support life. Proxima Centauri b is in the star's habitable zone, where heat can form liquid water on the planet's surface. On paper, Proxima b would be an attractive candidate for life. Its orbital period, just 11.2 Earth days, brings the star close enough to receive the same amount of energy as the Earth receives from the Sun. This proximity increases the likelihood that Proxima b is a liquid ocean, as if it were water that could harbor life. But living in a residential area is not a guarantee of living. As we've seen with Venus and Mars, or even closer to the Sun's orbit, there are other factors at play. For example, Venus is a hellish planet with a hot surface due to the greenhouse effect, while Mars is a cold, dry desert with a thin atmosphere that provides little protection from solar radiation. Proxima Centauri b may face a variety of challenges. One of the main concerns about Proxima Centauri b is tidal locking, a phenomenon where one side of the world faces the star while the other side remains dark. A tidal lock occurs when a planet's rotation period matches its orbital period, and one hemisphere is baked under the star's heat and the other in darkness. On a tidally locked planet, the temperature difference between day and night would be large, creating an unstable environment. The day side is heated by the intense heat from Proxima Centauri, while the night side is frozen. However, There is a glimmer of hope. Atmospheric circulation and ocean currents can help mitigate these temperature extremes, perhaps making it possible to live near the planet's port. The dark zone between day and night Proxima Centauri b is called Earth's relative, because of its size, rocky composition and location in the habitable zone. At about 1.17 times the mass of Earth, Proxima b is close enough to our planet to extend its lifespan. If a planet had a dense atmosphere, liquid water would probably be trapped on its surface. But this hope is determined by the harsh conditions of the environment. High levels of ultraviolet radiation from Proxima Centauri pose a serious threat to life on Earth. Without a protective magnetic field, like Earth's, Proxima b's atmosphere could be eroded by stellar winds and radiation. If that happens, all the water on the surface of the planet will disappear, leaving a barren and desolate world. Launched in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is humanity's most advanced tool for studying distant planets. With its powerful infrared capabilities, JWST can peer through the dust and gas that obscure other telescopes' views, allowing scientists to study the atmospheres of exoplanets like Proxima Centauri b in unprecedented detail. One of JWST's primary goals is to search for signs of habitability on distant planets. By analyzing the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere as it transits in front of its star, JWST can detect the presence of gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and oxygen, all of which are considered indicators of life. If JWST finds these molecules in Proxima Centauri b's atmosphere, it would provide strong evidence that the planet could support life. But if these molecules are missing, it means that Proxima Centauri b is more like Mars or Venus, a planet with a thin, lifeless atmosphere, or a world that has drifted away from the planet. Shut up. Although the James Webb Space Telescope has a lot to say, it can only tell us so much. To fully understand Proxima Centauri b and its potential for life, we need to send a mission to the planet. But traveling to the star system is no small feat. Even at the speed of NASA's Parker Solar Probe, the fastest spacecraft ever, it will take more than 6,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. However, new technologies are being developed that may one day make interstellar travel possible. One of the most interesting ideas is the solar system, a light spacecraft powered by the sun. The Breakthrough Stars Hot project, funded by Russian entrepreneur Yuri Milner, plans to send a small laser spacecraft to Proxima Centauri at speeds up to 20% of the speed of the Moon. If successful, these star dust could reach the Proxima Centauri system in just 20 years. But despite this revolutionary technology, interstellar travel presents many challenges. Star ships must survive the harsh conditions of space, including collisions with dust and exposure to cosmic radiation. Communication with these distant probes will also be difficult, as it takes more than 4 years for a signal to travel between Proxima Centauri and Earth. As interstellar travel approaches, deep ethical questions arise. If Proxima Centauri b is inhabited or habitable, should humans be sent there? What is our responsibility to all the lives that exist in this world? And what does it mean for a person to become a type of star? The discovery of Proxima Centauri b has opened a new chapter in our quest to explore the universe. Whether it's a barren rock or a planet, its existence reminds us of how vast the universe is and how many things are possible beyond the solar system. Proxima Centauri b is a world of promise and danger. Proximity to land makes us prime candidates for exploration, and space in the habitable zone makes us vulnerable to survival. However, the challenges of a harsh environment, including radiation and tidal locking, remind us that not all worlds are like ours. As we continue to study this distant planet and prepare for interstellar travel, we must face the unknown and embrace the journey ahead. Proxima Centauri b holds the key to one of humanity's oldest questions. It just reminds us of the fragility of the universe. In any case, the journey to understand this distant world has just begun.